Okay, let me go over the steps again. Number one is to find the factors of each number. Number two is to list the factors, one on top of the other. Number three is to circle the largest factor the numbers have that is the same, because that is our goal, finding the greatest common factor. Which factor do they have that is the same? Okay, what is the largest one they have that is the same? So, our first example is 24 and 30. Okay, what I'm going to do first is find the factors of 24. So I'll start with 1 because 1 goes into everything. So I know 1 times 24 will give me 24. I also know that 2 goes into 24 because it's an even number. So 2 goes into 24 12 times. Let's see. Because 4 plus 2 is 6, and 3 can go into 6, I know that 3 goes into 24 8 times. Okay. All right. And if I look at my multiplication chart, I can see, if I look at 4, I scroll down, I can see that 4 goes into 24 6 times. So under here, I'll put 4 times 6. With these problems, you're probably going to be taking a lot of paper space. Don't worry about it. Remember what I said, I'll give you more paper if you need it. So don't worry if you have to use the whole, half of a sheet for one problem. Okay, now I need to ask myself, can 5 go into 24? And the answer is no. Can 6 go into 24? Yes, but we already have it there. So we're finished. Find the factors of 24. Now I can draw my U and list the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Wow. Okay. Once I've finished listing those factors, I can find the factors of my next number, 30. I know that 1 times 30 gives me 30. Okay. Then I can ask myself, does 2 go into 30?
Yes.
And since 30 is even, I know that, of course, it can go in there. 2 times 15 is 30. That's just half of 30. I know that 3 goes into 30 because 3 times 0 is 3. And 3 goes into 3 one time, so that can go in there. 10 times. Let's see. How about 4? Can 4 go into 30? No. Can 5?
Yes.
Wow, we have a lot of factors here. I need to move this out of the way here. 5 times what? 6 gives you 30. How about 6? Can 6 go to 30? Yes, we already have it, so we can draw our U. Okay. Now on the bottom, I'm going to list my factors. So for 30, my factors are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. Okay. Okay. Now that I have all my factors listed out, I can start by looking at the highest numbers, because I want to find the greatest factor that both of them have in common. Okay? So do both of them have 30 or 24 in common? No. They don't both have 30 or 24. How about 15 and 12? No. 10 and 8?
No.
6? Oh, they both have 6. Is 6 the greatest factor that both of them have in common? Yes, it is. So we can circle it. Okay. And that would mean 6 is the greatest common factor of 24 and 30.